It is a great day to be a Cowboy. My name is Tanner Russell, Director of Alumni Engagement for the UW Alumni Association, and tonight we turn the page on a favorite holiday tale, Cowboy style. It's been a wonderful year celebrating our alumni and the strength of the UW family, and what better way to wrap it up than with a little holiday magic.
Hey there! Thanks so much for joining us. We're just about to get started.
Twas the night before Christmas, or pretty close at least. At the Marion H. Rochelle Gateway Center, cowboys and cowgirls were ready to feast. On December the 8th, when dust painted the sky, the folks gathered together with holiday cheer flying high.
President Seidel and Dr. Allen welcomed all through the door. UW students, employees, families, and the whole Laramie community, of course.
By the warm glowing fireplace sat Santa, joyful and bright, snapping photos with every little cowboy and cowgirl on this festive winter night.
Nearby stood Pistol Pete with the Spirit Squad in tow, smiling big for every shot, spreading brown and gold glow.
There was face painting, laughter, and crafts all around, holiday spirit and joy abound.
Outside, Cowboy Joe stole the show, greeting visitors with pony-sized charm in the fresh winter snow.
Then Pistol and Pete, our half-linger horses so grand, pulled hay wagons of folks through a Wyoming wonderland.
Sweet carols drifted softly from UW's ensembles so fine, filling the Gateway Center with harmonies so divine.
Guests decorated cookies, sprinkles everywhere, then grabbed hot chocolate piled high with whipped cream flair.
As we wrapped up the evening, one thing was clear. Holiday magic feels stronger when the UW family is near. Thanks to everyone who joined us for the President's Holiday Open House.
From our UW families to yours, happy holidays and...
Go Pokes!
Nice.